Today, I am going to show you how to promote Clickbank products in 3 simple steps, and you don't need any website to get started. And the best part is the method that I'm going to teach you does not only have to be pertaining to Clickbank products, you can use it to promote any affiliate product that you want. Hi, my name is Rupesh and I'd like to welcome you to this channel, Passive Income for All. It's all about helping you to find the best possible ways to making money online. So if it's your first time to this channel, a very warm welcome to you. Please go ahead and click on the subscribe button so that you can be kept up to date on what is happening within the world of online business. And if you want to know how you can get started with building your very own affiliate marketing business from scratch, then check out my #1 recommendation by just clicking on the link below to learn about one of the most complete training platforms that you can get within the online space. Okay, so here's the 3 steps to promoting Clickbank products. The first step is you need to choose the right keyword for your product. So let's assume you already went to Clickbank, you know what it is that you're going to promote. So now you have to find the right keyword for your product, because at the end of the day, if you don't have the right product, then, if you don't have the right keyword, then nobody's going to find your article for that particular product that you're promoting. And if nobody's going to find your article, then there's no point doing the article in the first place. If you're not going to get any visitors, you're not going to get any sales. So it's very important to choose the right keyword for your product. Then the step 2 is to find a suitable publishing source. Now remember, I told you that in the beginning we're not going to use any websites. So I'm going to show you a third-party website publishing place where you just have to place the article and your article will rank and automatically you will get visitors to your website. And in step 3 is to optimize your article and adding your appropriate affiliate links in the right places. So let's first go on to step 1 by choosing the right keyword for your product. Okay, so now the first thing what we're going to do is we're going to first select a product that we're going to choose to promote as our Clickbank product. And the other thing we're going to do is we're going to do proper keyword research to see if that #1, there is enough people who are searching for that particular keyword. And the second thing is we're going to make sure that the competition is extremely low, because remember, we want to get our articles ranked favorably so that people will see our article, they'll read our article, click on our affiliate product, buy our product, and we'll earn the commissions. So right here I am in Clickbank, and as you can see here, there are various categories you can choose. And that's a cool part about affiliate marketing. You can choose any niche that you'd like to target. So for the purpose of this training, I'm going to choose the health and fitness niche. And let's take a look at the very first product. It's called EpiPure, JAAXY. And if you promote it, there is a recurring commission of $49.45. And your initial cost on the product is $156. So let's take a look at what this product is all about. Alright, so about JAAXY, the ingredients on it, and the frequently asked question. It's a tropical secret for healthy weight loss. So this looks like it's a vitamin supplement, and it supports healthy weight loss with a proprietary blend of 8 exotic nutrients and plant-backed by clinical research. It's made in a FDA registered facility. It complies with good manufacturing practice, manufactured in the USA, and it's free from genetically modified organisms. And scientists discover the real root cause of your belly fat. So this product is essentially to help people lose their belly fat, to help them to ultimately lose weight. So this tells you more about the actual product. And sorry about that. So yeah, it just says inside JAAXY capsule you'll find the various ingredients that are available: propolis, ginseng, quercetin. And if you go further down, it's a natural formula, plant ingredients, non-habit forming, easy to swallow. And then you can order 6 bottles, you can get 3 bottles, or 3 bottles, and you get 2 free bonuses. So they even give you bonuses that goes along with your initial purchase. And every 6 bottle gets free shipping too as well. And then they have some real life testimonials on that particular product. Now, while we're talking about Clickbank products, what I want to tell you is that even though there are testimonials here, you need to make sure that you do the proper research on this particular product or any product that you're promoting for that matter. Remember, at the end of the day, it's your reputation that's on the line. You're going to put your stamp of approval on that product. And if you're going to sell something that's a mediocre product, then people are not going to find it very easy to buy from you in the future. Does that make sense? So therefore, do as much research as you possibly can on the particular product, or even better, if you can, buy the product, test it out for yourself, and see if it meets your standards. If it meets your standards, then you are more confident to be able to promote the product, and you can sleep better at night knowing that this is a product that you are happy with promoting and earning a good commission from. So we're going to go with this product within the health in the weight loss industry. So now I'm going to show you how to go about finding a proper keyword for promoting this particular product using a tool that I've been using for all my years as an affiliate marketer. All right, so now the question is, how do you find the right keywords that has the best monthly searches, but most importantly, the lowest competition? Because at the end of the day, you want to find the keyword that will have great volume, traffic volume, or search volume. In other words, a great amount of people that's going to be coming to your website. And at the same time, you don't want to have a keyword that's too competitive, because then it's going to be difficult for your keyword to rank amongst your competitors. Does that make sense? So now, the criteria that we're going to use to find our particular keyword is to make sure that the amount of monthly searches is above 100. At least above 100 people that are searching with that keyword on a month-to-month basis, and the amount of competition must be at least under 50 competitors. Now, I'm going to explain it all to you now when I go and use the keyword research tool. But let's just see, now we are in Google, right? So now let's find the keyword using Google's auto-suggest. So now, how to lose belly fat. Okay, so here it's how to lose belly fat naturally, how to lose belly fat overnight, how to lose belly fat in 2 weeks, and so forth. So these are all the search terms that folks have typed into Google. So you can go through each one of them, but I just want to use the first one and show you. And now the keyword tool that I'm going to use is called JAAXY. And this is what it looks like. It's JAAXY. And here you can just type in your keyword here. And then what JAAXY will do is it will do a search on that particular keyword, and it will give you some results. Like for instance, this one here, how to lose belly fat in exercise and in diet. You can see the AVG, you only need to worry about this, the AVG and the QSR, which means competition. So now remember, the amount of search volume I told you must be at least over 100. And as you can see, this one here is 24, which is low. And here the competition is 0, which is great. But the reason why there's such a low search volume is because even the keyword itself doesn't make grammatical sense. How to lose belly fat in exercise and weight. Well, I suppose it does, but not much people are typing it in. As opposed to people who will just type in how to lose belly fat. Now let's see what we find there. How to lose belly fat. Now take a look at this. Now look how high the search volume is here. 38,000 people are searching for this term on a monthly basis. Now that's a lot of people that are searching. But here's the problem. The competition is a bit higher. Remember I told you that the competition should be at least under 50. And this is 143. Now even though the index shows it's great, I still would not go for it. And the reason why is there's a very high chance that a lot of authority sites are out there which are already ranking for this particular keyword, and they are already getting folks to their particular articles. Now you need to be a bit more specific, and let's go back and see what other keyword that we can particularly find. I just want to show you here that I did find one keyword, how to lose belly fat. Just to save you some time, how to lose belly fat without exercising. Now this is a perfect keyword that you can use, because as you can see, the average searches for this keyword is above 100, right? And the amount of competition is less than 50. It's only 27. How to lose belly fat without exercising. And that keyword does actually make sense. And if you go to Google auto suggest, I want to show you something. How to lose belly fat. And if I just put with, then all of these comes in without losing weight, without exercising. And that's the first one that I punched into JAAXY. And as you can see, that is a keyword that we are going to use now for our article, which is going to be written on another website, but not our website. And I'll show you how we're going to do that next. All right. So now that we found our keyword, we know what we're going to be promoting, which is that JAAXY Pure herbal weight loss product. Now we're going to find a place where we're going to write this particular article using our keyword, and we're going to do it on another website, and that website is called medium.com. Now Medium is a place to write, read, and connect. It's free. It's easy and free to post your thinking on any topic, and you can connect with millions of readers. Now, I just want to show you something here, how it actually works. They have independent writers that contribute towards the platform. Anyone can write. Thought leaders, journalists, experts, and individuals with unique perspectives can share their thinking here. And you'll find pieces by independent writers from around the globe, stories we feature, and leading authors. Now, I just want to show you one particular author. Let's just look at the first one, Eric Dawa. Now, what actually she promotes on Medium. Okay, so these are the articles that basically is written here. But she is a keynote speaker on the 21st Century Teamwork Innovation author, Get Big Things Done, and Digital Body Language Order here. Now, take a look at this. You can follow her on the Medium platform, but in addition to it, if you were to click on that, she's using a link shortener. Bitly.com is actually a link shortener, but what it means basically, she's promoting a product using the Medium. So when I click on that link, it brought me to an independent sales page, and this is what she is promoting, Eric Dawa. It looks like this is her website, ericdawan.com, and she's got a capture page, opt-in page, and the product she's promoting is Digital Body Language, how to build trust and connection no matter the distance. And if you go further down, there's more information on how this particular book can actually help people out. And I see she's also promoting it on various other platforms. Now, what you would do, coming back to Medium, let's sign in, and I want to show you how you can get started. So first of all, I'm going to sign in with Facebook. Now we're going to use a keyword, and we're going to write a short article on the particular product called JAAXY Pure. But in addition to it, you're also going to give value on what the product is about, on how to go about losing weight naturally. And this is why it's very important that, remember, in affiliate marketing, it's not just about promoting a product. It's about giving people value. And that's why you need to be very, very 100% sure on the product you're going to be promoting and the niche you're going to go into. If you're going to go into the weight loss niche, like for instance, if you're going to go ahead and promote this JAAXY Pure product, then you need to be able to talk something about weight loss in general. You're not going to just start talking about the product itself. In your article, I'll show you now, once we are here, the first thing you're going to do is you're going to write a story. And when you write a story, the first thing you're going to do is you're going to say, how to lose belly fat without exercising. Right. And then you're going to tell your story. You can actually relate a story to how you personally have tried products. And in this case, if you actually did try JAAXY Pure and it worked for you, then you can start off by giving them all the pain points that you went through, all the struggles that you can go, so you can relate to the customer of the struggles that they might be going through at this point in time. So then by then you're already gaining trust in the article, And once you've done that, then you can offer them a solution and say, you know what, then I came across, I've tried so many products on the market, nothing had helped. I've tried various exercise routines, nothing helped. And then what I've done is I tried JAAXY, and you can give them your results on this particular product. And you see this part here, this click here, that is actually where you can put your affiliate link. And your affiliate link is what you would get from Clickbank product in your article. And if anybody reads that article, and you can just say something like, okay, let's just say, hi, I am Rupesh, and this is my story, right? So then you carry on, and then eventually, when you want to promote your product, you say, click here to buy my product, my #1 recommended health product for losing weight. And then what you can do is you simply just highlight this, and then what you do is you click on and then you can paste your linking. That's the link that you would get from Clickbank. And once your link is placed in, your article is published, and your article is now on medium.com. So now, why use a site like medium.com? Well, first of all, number one, the site is already ranked onto Google. Google already trusts the site. It's already gained domain authority. So all you're simply doing is you are just leveraging off the authority that the site has already got. So you don't have to start off from scratch with your very own website writing SEO articles. So this process of writing, of promoting products using a keyword on another person's website or even on your website is simply called SEO. Now, I just want to give you some quick tips when you are writing an article using SEO. The first thing is you need to actually make sure your keyword is in the title, right? And then you can try to put your keyword in your first paragraph. And as you go down, you can put it towards the later in the article, but don't stuff your article with the keyword. Just make it flow naturally. And then all you simply do is you can add images to your particular product. You can add quotes to your article and so forth. And once it's published, then you just have to wait for people to visit your article. If they find value in it, they click on the link, and you earn a commission once somebody buys the JAAXY product. Alright, so that's how you go about promoting Clickbank products using 3 simple steps and without using a website of your own. At the end of the day, it's just about finding the right product. It's about implementing the right technical steps and being consistent in what you're doing, adding value to your business. Eventually, people will start seeing that you are in there for the long run and not just somebody who just wants to make a quick profit, and eventually people will start buying from you. If you would like to learn on how you can get started with your very own affiliate marketing business, then check out my #1 recommended training platform. Simply click on the link that is below this video to learn more about that. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, go ahead and click on the subscribe button so that we can chat in my next video. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave it below this video. And like I said, I look forward to checking out my next video, so make sure you subscribe to this channel. Wish you everything of the best in your online success. Goodbye and take care.